He has got a stomach ache.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So as decided yesterday, we'll be having a discussion over a topic which I gave already. You must have prepared for it. Can we start it now?
Yes, sir.
So I just repeat the topic so that you can recall each and everything what you have prepared at your home. So our topic is books provide us better entertainment than television. Agree or disagree? किताबें हमें ज़्यादा मनोरंजन प्रोवाइड करती हैं टेलीविजन से. क्या आप इस बात से सहमत हैं
I
या
agree.
असहमत हैं? Start
Yes, sir.
please.
I agree.
Wrinkle, turn on your video. You also remain on the screen. बाकी आप लोग स्टार्ट कर दीजिए डिस्कशन.
Books are very interesting because there are lots of knowledge, and we have gained. We can gain many knowledge, and they, there are a competition, and they improved my gesture, and because TV is idiot box are there is no there is no knowledge, and there is nothing, just a time pass, and books are very interesting because they have they I we have gained knowledge, as well as entertainment, and I games like word speech, spelling bee, sometime we are reading stories books, and comics, like anything.
Kuchi ma'am, now your turn.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Actually, sir, I prepared in favor, but I oppose Charu, ma'am. Television does not mean
Okay.
only watching entertaining programs. Television means we can also watch the educational programs like National Geography. And in the books, we can't gain our the GKs, like whatever done in our nation around all over the world. So we also watch the television to gain the knowledge around the world, around our nation.
Then how can
And
you say
television
we
is
can't
also
gain knowledge about in our books? Uh, I think
no, no, no.
all people gain knowledge in books.
Yes, books also. But in television, we can also watch scientific and educational programs like National Geography is there. News, we can also up to date about the news. We can also save our time to watch the television. To at we are updated at the time to watch the television. Whatever, how television does not mean only entertaining, only movies and songs and are there. There is also a lot of knowledge has been there. And television
But
we can share three or five.
some people watched
Yes.
on TV National Geography, and what comes on National Geography, like animals, like some serials are
National
better
Geography
on
also,
National
man,
Geography.
scientific, science related ideas
Some,
also there in National Geography.
but already all children are having online classes, so how can they keep on television, in front of television?
We can't say about that time. We say our previous and our
Okay,
future and our past also. So
but
in the books, we
already they all use mobile, and all study in also, matlab they have study on mobile after offline, after after finishing online classes, they have
Ma'am,
used
there is a conversation. There is a conversation between television and books,
okay,
not
okay,
mobile
okay,
phone.
okay, okay, I know, but books in on television, they have only just time pass, or
How you can say this only
because
time?
it
We
is
also
it
watch
is
news. We
it is
also watch news in the
because,
television.
ma'am, it is because in books we can gain everything, knowledge, GK, science, mathematics, everything, craft, drawing.
Books we can't share with our another person, but television we can also share with 3 or 5 people. We can also do other household works to start the television works, television start, because but in the books we also focus on the book, not on the only for study, but at the in the television we can also start switch on the television, and we can also do other household works. We can save our time.
So this is not a part of life, na? This is a just time pass. Whenever you free, you sit on in front of TV. Yeah, that is an
No, many some of the people, they can also start the TV, they can also start the songs and news, they can also hear, listen, and do other
matlab
works.
time pass. This is not necessary. Yeah, this is not compulsory. Yeah, there is no and competition. Yeah, there is no passion.
And in the now update TV can also other we can also use we can also learn languages, other types of languages we can also learn and practice in the television.
Who can learn language on
Okay, okay. You
TV?
both are telling
Yep.
we can do so many things by
Mhm.
books as well as the television, but I want you to speak about the entertainment side also. How books entertain us and how television entertains us. This thing you have to tell. There's a discussion between both the topic, means both the sides, and you have to tell the main point, which is entertainment. So you have to speak about the entertainment, how books are entertainment for us, how they can provide us better entertainment or enjoyment. Similarly it is with the TV
Uh,
also.
we are having different types of books, and you can when you free, you can read story books and the comics and the general knowledge, and you can scientific experiment with your children, husband, and anybody can.
You know, ma'am, in the previous time, in
Nowadays
this area, in this era also, uh, nowadays means many people are there who just read the comics, and they used to get a lot of entertainment like Chacha Chaudhary and some other comics,
Yes, sir.
and they used to enjoy that. And nowadays you can see people
And
are
as well
watching
as children
television, but
also.
they take tension. They do not get entertainment because on television there are some vulgar things also, and there are some negative things such as it can make our eyes weak, as well as
no
it can
sir.
spoil our sitting posture.
So nowadays books are just converted into films, like you can see Harry Potter.
Hmm.
We can also read in the book Harry Potter 7 parts, 8 parts, but it is also available on the television. So we can also imagine in on the television. We can watch the stories, our practical and theoretical both also. So TV is
Okay,
more
I
interesting
gave
and
you I gave you
enjoyable.
one more example. You must have watched Padmavat movie or Rani Lakshmi by Manikarnika movie. So these movies are there in which you'll not find each and everything within 3 hours. How can they tell about somebody's life? But in the books, you'll
And
find each and everything, each and everything, each and
But
every point about their life.
if we can read 3 to 4 hours in the books, we also feel like it's boring. But in
Yeah,
the
boring
television,
as it is.
we yes, but in the
but reading
television,
is
if
very
we
good
can
habit.
see 3 to 4 hours, we can also about the news on that person, and we can also entertain. So
But
the
reading is
children
very
and
good habit.
Yes,
everyone
Charu
want
For
to
ma'am.
watch to.
Yes, Charu ma'am.
every
We
successful
have to
person
agree with
have
this that
yes, sir, every
reading books
successful
is quite
person
boring.
has reading habit. sorry, read habit.
No, they have to read because it is their compulsion. If they want to increase the knowledge, they have to read the books. If they want to get authentic information, they have to read the books. But if it is
I don't
about
think so.
entertainment, so I don't think so. Reading book is going to give us entertainment. Do you feel so?
Any
Because
habit is
people get bored
big
while
on.
reading this, reading anything. They drop off to sleep while reading.
Yes, sir. Some old person told if you can't feel sleepy, so you can also read the book. You
Hmm.
also have the you have feel
Uh,
like
it's
so.
better than mobile. Some people watch mobile, then they sleep. It's better ki they read book and then sleep.
But ma'am, most person doesn't like to read the books at all the time. They feel
As
like bored.
as most people doesn't like TV.
Khushi ma'am, as you have seen, students go to the school and they keep reading the books for 7 to 8 hours. And when they come back to the
Yes.
home, they go to tuition. There also they read book, and at home also they read books. Most of the times they are spending with their book. But if it is about television, they watch it for 2 hours, 3 hours, hardly 4 hours, and after it they also get bored. It becomes very difficult to watch TV continuously because it
Yes, sir.
creates
But in
harmful
the
effects to the
schools,
eyes.
sir, nowadays in the schools also the teachers watch the movies and the cartoons at the school to entertain the children. Not only they also read all books.
Which
They
school?
also have want to entertain the children. They also in the week one days they also want they also watch the movie or any other cartoons in the schools also available.
Which school, ma'am?
Visualization is necessary, but it is not in a normal school. It is there in hi-fi schools.
I
No,
don't
sir.
think
In the
so.
Randhava
Which
Public
is not
School,
a hi-fi
I
school.
have seen, sir. They also in the most they are very grateful like Mahatma Gandhi and cartoons like very are to gain knowledge. They also in the schools also they watch the movie.
Okay, we have got Wrinkle also. I would like to
Comparison
ask
to
Wrinkle.
watch
Wrinkle, you
movie,
also
you
speak.
can play act, you read all thing, and you can play act, and that is a good way to teach us our children.
Yes. Why you can't always see in the television is like only time pass. They also entertain to relaxing our mood.
नहीं, you act yourself, मतलब खुद से on your own. I'm not telling in front of TV, sit on in front of TV, then I watched, I didn't say. Like a actual real play actor in front of our children.
Okay, we have got Wrinkle also. Now she would speak something about this topic.
Yes, I am. I think books provide more entertainment because in books there are comic books are there, and in our English book chapters, they are entertaining also and learning also. And there are many books in library also. Then we can read books and get entertained by that. And
Okay,
on television, I don't see more.
you're in the favor of books.
Yes, sir.
Okay, now Khushi ma'am's turn. Ma'am, what do you say?
Yes, sir. Sir, I had told. Actually, sir, I also prepared in favor, but to
You were in the favor of books.
Yes, sir. She has already told.
It's starting only.
But
But that's nice. You
she,
prepared from other
she
side and
opposed.
you have spoken from the opposite side. This is good.
Yes, sir.
So what is the conclusion we have got?
Reading is better than
And we
TV?
can say both are, they are good.
Not ma'am, both are like street smarter
Ma'am,
and book
can't read
smarter.
24 hours in the
So,
book. You also want
ma'am,
to
you can't
spend
watch
time.
TV or
Yes.
24 hours.
So I am telling both are necessary in our life.
You can live without TV, but you can't live without study, without books, without reading.
Now new generation is not live without
Our
television.
new generation also,
Yes.
because they have already lot of brain, because they knew very well uh, what thing is good, better us or better of us.
Ma'am, everything has a way to watch. If we watch television without getting any interest, then we'll feel bored. Okay. Similarly with the books, if we are watching or just reading the books, not getting anything, so we'll get bored there also. So the thing is that how
But
much
If
interested you
nobody
are in there.
interested in books, so please
the one thing in the
appreciate.
television is television we can share 3 or 5 people and we can very entertain with us. But in the books we can also we can read the books alone and there is no partner to uh, conversation with each other.
But
Ma'am,
in the
how do you
schools,
say
ma'am,
कि
many students read
you
the book
can't share
together.
you
In
can't
school,
share
many
reading.
you see the class and tuition, many students read together.
No, sir,
Is
not
making
that
one
types of. If we can read a story or a comics or in the books, we are very private. But in the
In our
television,
home,
we can.
at night time, bedtime, I read story, and my husband
Yes,
and my as
then
well as
we
my
read
son
books.
listen properly.
We are in private time, but in the in the television, we can also share with our family. We can
So
entertain with both of us,
you
our
you should
families.
you should play anything like cards and ludo, carom, any indoor or outdoor game. Yeah, you
Ma'am,
talk
there
with
is a
them.
conversation between television and books, not